In this video, I'll show you how you can send photos to someone in Google Drive using your mobile. So here we have Google Drive downloaded. What we can do once we've opened the app is go to the files in the bottom right hand corner, and I would recommend you click on the plus icon, then click here where it says create folder. By doing so, we can create a folder and upload all of the relevant photos to it. I'm going to name this folder photos, and then we'll click on create. Now we've done that, we can head inside of the folder by clicking on it. Then we can click on the plus icon in the bottom right hand corner. You can click upload file, then click photos and videos. From here, you'll be able to find your photos and then go ahead and select all of the ones that you want to upload. I'm just going to select these few, then we'll click on upload. You can then confirm that upload and you can see what folder they're going at the bottom here. So once you've clicked on upload, it will then start to upload your photos. Depending on how many you have, it might take a couple of minutes. So now we've got all the photos uploaded, we can just make sure we are in the photos folder again. Then if you go to the three dots in the top right hand corner, you can then click on share. If you want to share these via a link, we can then go to the three dots in the top right hand corner, then click manage access. And from here, you'll be able to change the general access to anyone with the link. And that will mean people can access this with the link. Then if you click on the link icon in the top right hand corner, that will be then copied to your clipboard. You can go ahead and send this link to anyone that you want to share the photos with. They'll then be able to access them and download them.